Hello guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can get Replit Core 1 month plan, $20 plan for free using promo code. So I will enter the details of payments here. Okay. So let's see. And we need to fill this details. I'm using fake card. I generated it from bin. Okay, you can use it or you can use your own card, but remember that if you subscribe it using your own card, you need to cancel the subscription before 1 month. Remember that, otherwise the payment will be deducted. Okay, so you can see I applied the promo code here, October 25B2B. This is the promo code and I got 100% off. So I will provide you these promo code in comment of this video. I will update it time by time. If I found a new promo code, I will provide you in this video comment box. So you can check comment first if you need new promo codes. Okay, and if you need AI tools like Gemini Pro 4-month, CapCut Pro, and any other tools, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I will provide you my WhatsApp details in this video comment box, pin comment. Okay, you can check the pin comment. So I enter the card details here. So also this time it will get success. Yeah, it's processing, and also this will get success. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and follow for more. It has been done. Thank you. You can see.